Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my subscribers. And as always, thank you for all of your support. So I wanted to look at something that's very beginner friendly today. It is an 8-pocket faux envelope folio. So let's open this up and take a look at what's inside. So we have this closure and it opens up. And you have immediately a pocket. You have another pocket. That's the second pocket. Here's the third pocket. And I've put in some library cards. Those are the same. Here's a different one. And here's another pocket. So that's our fourth pocket. And another library card. Here is our fifth pocket, and here is the sixth pocket, and here is the seventh pocket. And then turn it over. On the back you have your eighth pocket. This is really simple to make, so let's get started. So what you'll need is some cardstock. Now the cardstock that I am using, this is a 65-pound craft cardstock. And let me give you the measurements. You'll need a piece that is 7 by 5.5, and you are going to score at 2 3/4. And you'll see that I've done some pre-work distressing and using the corner rounder here to keep the video going. You'll need 2 more pieces, and these are the same size, and these are 11 by 4 inches, and you are simply going to just fold these in half. And on one of the halves in the center you'll do a notch out. So let me get the scoreboard out of the way. So what you'll do now to form the basis of the envelope is you'll take this section here and you're going to glue on 3 sides, and then you are going to glue that here. Don't glue right on top of the fold. Push your paper just right before the fold. Okay, because you want everything to be able to lay down flat and even, right? So let me do that and then I'll come right back, okay? Okay, I now have this glued down. All right. So now we want to continue to build the base of the faux envelope. So now the part that has the flap, okay, make sure that this pocket here is facing you. And what you're going to do is you're going to glue these 3 sides. You're going to add glue to these 3 sides, and then you're going to glue this to the bottom, to the sides, and that's how you'll form another pocket. Okay, so let me do that and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now we have the base of the faux envelope completed. So now the pockets, let me give you the measurements for the pockets, and you'll see that with those I've also done some pre-work to keep the video moving along. So let me break out the scoreboard again and let me get the pockets and things, the things that I've already put together. Okay, so you will need 2 of these, and this is one is for the outer flap and the other one will be for the inner flap. Okay, so let me give you the measurements of this. So this is 5 inches by 2.5 inches, and you are going to use this one for the corner rounder. Okay, And you'll do that twice, right? You'll do 2 of these. And then you will need a smaller pocket, and that pocket will go right here. And let me give you the measurements. So this one is 5 1/4 by 3 1/4 inches, and you will place that right here so that you have a little bit of a frame on the sides and you have a little bit on the bottom. Okay, so you only need 1 of these. Then you will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, and let me give you the measurements. So these are 5 1/4 by 3 3/4, and you will place these on the remaining areas. So you'll place one on the outer flap, the inner flap, you'll place one on this flap, you'll place one on this flap, you'll turn it over, and you'll place another one on this flap. So let me do that, and then I'll show you how I did the closure. Let me do these things, and then I'll come right back and we'll wrap it up. Okay, so just so that you could see me do something, I'm gluing the last one on the back, right? And I'm gluing the pocket in, and you know that you're going to put glue. You're going to put glue just on 3 sides, right? Not where you've notched out. And the measurements are so that you have a little bit of a frame around your pocket. Okay, and any excess glue, you can just wipe that off. This glue that I use, it's the Barely Art glue, and it dries pretty clear, so I'm just going to wipe away any excess. And you could see here how there's like a frame around each of the sections. You've got a little bit of a frame. Okay, so now let's do the flap. I'm going to do the inner flap first. So you'll make sure that your curved edges, that they're facing up, right? So it matches the shape of the flap. And with this one, I decided not to make it a pocket. I'm just going to glue it all down. You certainly can make it a pocket if you like. And this is a demonstration, so I'm just moving pretty fast. It's not meant to be completely neat and tidy. Okay, so that's for the inner flap. Now, the outer flap, okay? I have already notched out a hole in the center, and what I did was I took 4 1-inch circles, and I took a glue stick and I just simply glued them all together, one on top of the other. And I used just a regular glue stick, and then I used the vintage photo to distress the edges, and then I found the center. I just used a pencil to place a dot in the center, and then I have a very fine, this is like a 1/16 of an inch. I have a very fine hole punch, and I looked for that dot that I placed in the center and just punched that through. And then I have a brat to use that. Let me find my brat. Here it is. And so I'm just slipping that through the brat, the hole. And then the hole that I made here, I'm going to slip that through as well. And then I will open up this, and then I am going to glue it all down. Okay. And again, it's not going to be the neatest job. It's just a demonstration to show you what I did to create the folio. Okay. And you can again wipe off any excess, and then what you'll do is you'll put in your journaling cards. I have a few library cards that I created. So we have our nice pocket that we have back there. We have another pocket here that we could slip something into. Okay, so I'm going to keep putting journaling cards into these different pockets, and then we'll close this up, and then we are done. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my journaling cards in all of the various pockets that I've created, right? I have a journaling card in the back pocket as well. So now what we're going to do is I have this is some wax string, and all I'm going to do is just keep it very simple, and I am going to wrap that around a few times, and then I'm going to wrap this, and I will go around probably 1 or 2 times, and then I'm going to cut my string, and then I am done. Okay, so I want to tuck this string under at least. Get that out of the way. Okay, and that is the project. Now, you don't need me to take you through a run-through because I have already given you a run-through of the project. Okay, everyone, if you like this video, please share, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.